Stop doing guesswork with your resources right now. Instead, let's see how strategically assigning them can revolutionize your outcomes, strategic thinkers. Today, we're diving into the world of the Resource Allocation Matrix, a powerhouse tool in planning. Imagine optimizing every person, piece of equipment, and dollar at your disposal, all enhanced through the remarkable insights from ChatGPT. Strategic thinkers, gather around. We all face the hurdle of underutilized resources or misplaced priorities in projects, leading to financial waste and missed opportunities. These pitfalls can sink efforts if we rely on half-baked assumptions or hurried decisions. That's why a systematic, analyzing approach is crucial. Enter the Resource Allocation Matrix. It ensures not just alignment with our goals, but optimal and efficient distribution of resources. Here's how it works, especially when supercharged by the intelligence of ChatGPT. Whether you're allocating personnel across various tasks or determining the most effective use of financial assets, the Resource Allocation Matrix breaks it down step by step. ChatGPT is seamlessly integrated to prompt you with expert insights and real-time data analysis, unveiling hidden inefficiencies and offering personalized optimization strategies. So, where do we start? First, we identify every resource available, from your team of experts to financial and technological tools. Moving forward, we list down vital tasks like planning, analysis, or execution phases, assigning them to the most suitable resources based on expertise and efficiency. Each step is about layering one decision on top of another, starting with understanding the mission, followed by thorough analysis, exploring various courses of action, assessing risks, and finally making an informed selection. This is where ChatGPT shines, providing dynamic, live prompts to refine these stages, offering actionable insights tailored to your project's needs. It sees patterns, predicts resource constraints, and makes comparisons, helping to fine-tune your allocations for peak performance. In conclusion, strategic thinkers, embracing the Resource Allocation Matrix with ChatGPT's enhancement, crafts a flexible, customizable strategic plan. This ensures that every decision is not just precise but impactful, transforming your projects from good to exceptional. Don't miss out on unlocking your project's full potential. Be sure to like, subscribe, and check my link tree for more intricate strategies and insights. And for those thirsty for even more profound learning, grab a copy of AI-Powered Strategic Thinker 3. Let's take charge of our challenges with tailored, insight-driven strategies today.